being honest. I'm gonna lie to you when you ask me how I'm doing. I'll use all the words we both know. You want me to, but if I'm being honest, I've been thinking about the day I don't feel anything at all. I won't feel anything at all. I'm gonna load my shotgun, point that barrel right where it hurts. Ain't no telling where I'll go after. Might not be better, but it can't get worse. I cried out in silent desperation. I cried out. I called your name, my God, my God. Why have you forsaken me? I cried out, but my words have now abandoned me. I'm gonna load my shotgun, point that barrel right where it hurts. Ain't no telling where I'll go after. Might not be better, but it can get worse. And I could tell you, but you can't imagine that first breath from the edge of this chasm. You ain't cried like that since you come out your mother. Only thing holding back the great hereafter is bad primers with good timing. I'm gonna load my. I'm gonna load my gun.
Thank you, Evan.